Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you one of my favorite Thanksgiving crafts that I've done in the past with some of my preschoolers, and this year I decided to do it with my own son, Sammy, who's, by the way, 20 months old. He loves to paint and do crafts, as you'll see in the video. It's one of my favorites because it's a keepsake craft. With toddlers, it's hard to make a craft that they can put together themselves, so I like to make crafts that are keepsakes, like footprints or handprints. That way they feel involved in the process, but they don't actually complete the whole craft. So that's what we're gonna do here today, and I hope you love it. And it's a craft that I like to give to grandparents or to like display on Thanksgiving parties, or put magnets on it and hang it on your fridge for the season. It's just absolutely adorable. So I hope you enjoy it. Here we go. These are the supplies you're going to need for your child's craft: markers, scissors, your child's footprints, and some extra construction paper. Here I am cutting them. One of them didn't come out so great, so I didn't use it, but 4 is fine. I used all different colors. You can use any colors that you like. I like the primary green, yellow, and orange. Here I used Sammy's picture that I had printed out from my computer as a guide to cut out the turkey body. You can't see it very good in this video, but once it's cut out, you'll be able to get a better idea. I kind of made it like an oval shape. So then I took a piece of paper and I glued the body onto it. I chose white, but really you could use any color. Them on. Super adorbs. Then I just grab my marker and I'm gonna make little half circles that almost look like feathers on the turkey. Then I add some legs. I've also seen where it can be done with twigs. If you have twigs and you want to super glue them on, you can do that too. And this is what his little footprints were for. Turkey feathers. Here I make sure I glue them on really, really well. because I am going to go ahead and cut it out. So here I cut really close to the craft, leaving about just a tint of the white showing. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose a green construction paper, just kind of pulling from the colors that I used on his footprints. And I'm going to go ahead and glue it on to the construction paper. Now you can either choose to leave it just like this and maybe laminate it and use it as a placemat for the season, but I'm going to go ahead and choose to cut a trim around it with the green. And there you go, my little Sammy turkey.